Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Accord engine air filter. First, locate the air filter housing under the hood. It's typically a large black box on the passenger side. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool before you start. This simple maintenance task can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency, and it's easy to do yourself in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the air filter housing. You'll usually find 2 to 4 metal clips around the edges. Simply unclip them. Some models might have screws instead, which you can easily remove with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once the clips or screws are loose, gently lift the top half of the housing. You don't need to remove it completely, just enough to access the filter. With the housing open, you can now see the old air filter. Carefully lift it out. Take a moment to notice how dirty it might be. This shows why replacement is important. Now, take your new engine air filter and place it into the housing. Ensure it sits flush and correctly within the compartment, matching the orientation of the old filter you just removed. Finally, it's time to close everything up. Carefully lower the top cover of the air filter housing back down, making sure it aligns properly with the bottom half. Re-engage all the metal clips or reinsert and tighten any screws you removed. Double-check that the housing is securely sealed all around. You've successfully replaced your engine air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.